Hi team, today I will be explaining about nice and renice commands in Linux operating system. Each command it triggers process. Process has priority, so we can change the process priority using nice and renice commands. In Linux, for each process, it is around 140 priorities are there. So I will be discuss about those priorities. So Linux uses separate priority ranges. These processes are two types. One is normal process, one is real-time process. Normal processes are users executing commands or scripts, whatever. Real-time tasks, it includes like system tasks. So it divided into like two categories. If you observe here, 0 to 99 is the real-time tasks, real-time priority processes. So and 100 to 140 is the it's a like normal processes, like it's user processes. So we can divide it that minus 20 to plus 19. These values will be updated using nice value. Nice is a command to run the any process, to execute any command. We can use, before the command we can use the nice value. Using nice command we can execute the process, execute the command in a lesser time. Like suppose we can give the priority to the kernel for particular process it needs to be run very quickly. Like that we can explain that to kernel using nice command. These are the two types: nice normal values and real-time priorities. This normal ranges from minus 20 to plus 19. Minus 20 is the highest one. So it's a minus value, means it is a highest value. Zero is a default. Even if we run any command without nice value, it is taken. Zero is the default priority value. Plus 19 is the lowest value. So priority value is taken like nice value plus 20. Whatever we mention in the nice value plus 20, that is the priority value for the process. If you observe here, real-time process, this is the real-time priority values. So 0 is the less priority and 99 is the highest priority. We can use nice command. So CPU has n cores, then uh, it execute only n process in a parallel. If suppose CPU has 16 cores, 16 processes can be executed at a time. And so these values we can use to edit the priorities, and we can update the priorities. This is the syntax for that. 2 is the process priority now. So 2, we are mentioning 2 is the process priority. Whatever the command we can run here, this is for nice value. And this is the by default we can use this nice and command value. So if we run the command like this, it will take as a 10 as a default priority. Start process with nice value. Yeah, this is the one we can use. Like normal -n means we need to give the parameter here. That is a like option, like high plus 20 plus 19 to minus 20 value we can give here. Already running process we can't uh, renice. Like we can renice the command, but we can't edit the nice we can't edit the priority using nice command. So this is a renice command to change the nice value for the running process with renice value. So this is the renice command used to give the to change the running process ID priority values. So if any user came and he want to run all the processes now, this all the processes are waiting since a very long time, then we can use renice command and give the priority, update the priority value -20 like that. We can give the username. If we mention -u, it's a username. If we mention -p, it's a process ID. So I will be run this in a terminal. I will explain through one process. I will I will execute one process using nice value. So I am running one command. I am giving nice value as 20. It's a highest priority for normal user. Nice iPhone 20. Then I am just giving sleep command. What it will do is it's just uh, open the terminal. It won't lock the screen. So it's a 3859 is the process ID. To check that, we can use ps-efl. L means listing the priority value. Priority value it will list. Then we can grep the value. Grep the process ID 3859. So 3859 is the process ID. If you mention, if you check here, root is the user executed by root, and this is the process. This is the parent process. This is the priority value. Normal priority value is 80. So if I mention priority value is -20, it reduced to 20 values. So this is the process priority values. So to update this priority, we can't use nice command. So to update, it is already executed command. So we can use renice command. To renice the value, renice -n -n, we need to give the value here. Now I am giving increasing the priority. Before I just give -20. -20 is highest priority, +20 is lowest priority. So process ID I need to give 3859. If I give the 3859, if you observe here, 3859 process ID, old priority is 20, -20, and new priority is 10. So we can also verify that now it's a 10. So it is increasing to positive value. That means it needs to wait until the some more time, like it's a least priority now. Before it was 60, right? So it I have increased it to 10 values. Like before it is a lowest priority. Now it's increased it with renice command. I used renice command. So what I will do, I just give sleep 600 ampersand. So 3883. 3883 is the process value. So nice sleep. I am giving just randomly. I am submitting some process. So what I will do, I will change the priorities for entire user. Now I will just giving the nice value, just nice. If I mention, it's by default priorities 10. So I am giving nice value, and it's just entering some commands. See, if you observe here, I just enter some processes. So PS-EFL, I will just grep 388. whatever processes, all the processes will come 388. If you observe, most of the process executed by root. So all the priorities are very high, so I want to run this quickly as per the user suggestion. So what I will do, I will use renice command, and I will give the priority is -20. And what is the now priority value? Now this user value, we need to give the user is root. So it will just change the every process. Old priority is -20, new priority is 20. So it gives everything, like it will change all the processes IDs now. So what we can do, grep 388. If you observe here, all the priorities it was previously it was very high, like there is no, it's not, it's near to 90, like that. Now it is reduced to 60. 60 means we just updated to -20. We just gave my high priority for all the processes root processes, whatever the root executed now, for all the process get -20. So likewise we will use nice and renice command. So that is about, that's all about today.